Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Subaru Forester X, stock reference number 5753. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2008 through to the 12th month 2012. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine with the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one large dent. Right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav, head unit, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.